Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon. Hope you are well. I'm also fine by the grace of the Almighty. Today I would like to talk about English. English is very important and English is international language. Being knowing we don't practice English, we don't learn English. So we have to learn English, we have to practice English. If we practice English well, we'll get a good job. And if we don't practice English, we don't go to abroad. So we need to learn English. We love to speak in English. We love to practice English. That's all about today's presentation. Thank you very much. See you again on some other videos. Stay healthy. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.